Hello and welcome back to Inspired by a Smile. My name is Christy, and today I want to show you how to change colors at the end of each row. So if you have a 4mm hook or whatever size, bigger if you need it, and some yarn to practice, let's get started. So I've got my 4mm, and we'll start with some green. I'm just going to do a chain of 10. I'm going to grab the chain, do one more, and then go in the second one from the hook, and then you're going to do a half double crochet, and then do a half double crochet all the way across, and you'll have 10 in total when you're done across your chain. Make sure you're also going in the bottom of the chain where the little bumps are. Makes it easier. And it also ends up not spinning around that way. I'd like to thank everyone for subscribing so far. I do appreciate it. Make sure that you do have all notifications on and are subscribed as well so that you don't miss any videos. And if you would consider becoming a patron, it's only $3 a month. It helps me buy more materials so that I can do more how-to videos and other fun tutorials. So almost done the 10 on the chain. Alright, so I'm just going to grab my scissors. You just leave a long enough piece so that you can switch colors here. So I've got red. So I'm just going to tie this now. And then you can do a slip stitch once you have that fastened off, or tightened, sorry. Do a slip stitch and then turn your row. And you can also hold that over your row and you can crochet over it so that you don't have to sew anything in after. And you're going to do the exact same thing you did in the first row. You want to do a half double crochet in each stitch and you will have 10 altogether. Like I said too, if you crochet over the little piece there, you won't have to sew that in after either. Alright, we're in the last stitch and I'm going to show the color change 2 more times just so you get the hang of it and you can practice. Also, making sure that if you're doing this right, your rows will be even when you're done and not all weird and slanted. So again, I cut it short enough. Just going to be changing to the other color. Tie it tight enough and then you can do a slip stitch before you turn to do your other row. So slip stitch and turn and do the exact same thing. Grab your yarn and you can crochet right over it so you don't have to sew it. I won't do much talking now till the end. Just practice this and we're almost done. No. And in the next tutorial, I'll also show how to put a trim around this piece in case you're wondering how to do that. So, meet you back at the end, guys. Alright, we're in the last stitch. Awesome. I'm just going to cut it and fasten that off. And like I said, I'm going to keep this and show you how to do a trim in the next video. Awesome job, guys. Yay!